Welcome guys, today I am with the Marshall Emberton wireless speaker and I'm going to show you how you can perform hard reset of this speaker. So at the first, just take a look. I'm connected with this speaker. Right now it's active. It's turned on. As you can see, indicators are up. And to perform the hard reset, all you have to do, simply click and hold this Bluetooth button until this indicator blinks for a few times. And after that, the speaker will completely turn off. The connection will disappear. It will be like disconnected. So let's make it right now. Let's follow all steps. Click and hold the button. Take a look on the indicator. It's blinking, but you have to keep holding. Keep holding until this indicator disappears like that. So right now it just turned on back and it's in the Bluetooth pairing mode, as you can see. And when I tap on the Emberton speaker on my previously connected devices, as you can see, there's new pairing request. So it means that all connections, all history, all data were restored to the default, and right now we are able to pair this speaker with our device for another time. So one more time, to perform the hard reset of this Marshall Emberton speaker, that's the first version of the speaker, you have to click and hold this button for 7 seconds until it completely turned off and the connection will disappear. And by the way, this method also works for the Emberton too. So yeah, as you can see, that was very simple. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.